Hello, hello.
All right. Give the heading Cartesian product. इसी चैप्टर के सेकंड एक्सरसाइज की बिगिनिंग हम करेंगे अभी. गिव द टाइटल कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट. कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट. हेडिंग दो और फिर मेरे तरफ देखो. इमेजिन आई कंसिडर सेट ए is equal to A, B, C, and I consider the set B is equal to 1 and 2. Now, what happens? I would take every element of A. I would take every element of A and every element of B and make their pairs. So, take A, take 1. Take A, take 2. Take B, take 1. Take B, take 2. Take C, take 1. Take C, take 2. So I get the set of pairs of elements of A and B. अभी रिमेंबर यहाँ A का एलिमेंट पहले लिखा गया है, B का एलिमेंट सेकंड लिखा गया है. पता इफ आई कंसिडर अ पेयर 3, 2, देन इसमें पहली वैल्यू x होती है, दूसरी वैल्यू y होती है. पता जरा ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. इफ आई गो फ्रॉम दिस वॉल टू दैट वॉल, देन एवरी वैल्यू विल बी x वैल्यू. यहाँ से यहाँ गए तो x वैल्यू बदलेगी, यहाँ से आगे गए तो x वैल्यू और भी बदलेगी वगैरह. But when the lift moves up and down, so first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, these become the y values. They become the y values. And therefore horizontal is x and vertical is y. Remember, horizontal is x and vertical is y. तो होगा क्या कि ये 3 2 कैसे कहाँ आता है? तो x एक्सिस का 3 आणि y एक्सिस का 2 जहां परपेंडिकुलर्स मीट होते हैं, दैट इज द पॉइंट 3,2 की नहीं. तो ये x 3 होता है, y 2 होता है. बट in fact if I write 2,3, then what will happen? It will be 2 of x and then 3 of y. So that point would be here. And therefore 0.32 is not same as 0.23. 2 अलग है, 2 3 अलग है. तो पहली वैल्यू क्या होती है? x एंड दूसरी वैल्यू क्या होती है? y. तो यहां मैंने क्या किया? a का एलिमेंट फर्स्ट है कि नहीं? ये x वैल्यू है, ये y वैल्यू है, ये x वैल्यू है, ये y वैल्यू है. तो इसमें मैंने a का एलिमेंट पहले लिखा है कि नहीं? Therefore this is called a Cartesian product B, what we read as a cross B. अभी ये अगर a क्रॉस b है तो फिर b क्रॉस a क्या होगा? अभी वहां b का एलिमेंट विल बी रिटर्न फर्स्ट. तो 1 कॉमा a, 1 कॉमा b, 1 कॉमा c, 2 कॉमा a, 2 कॉमा b एंड 2 कॉमा c. ये हो गया b क्रॉस a. So then my question to you is, tell me, is a cross b same as b cross a? Are they same? No, कारण जो ऑर्डर बदल ली ना. So a cross b is not same as b cross a. But then my question to you is, what is the number of elements in a cross b? Count kara. 1 2 3 4 5 6 pairs are there na. And what is the number of pairs, number of elements in b cross a? 6. And therefore number of elements in a cross b is same as number of elements in b cross a, which is 6. And how did I get 6? So a had 3 elements, b had 2 elements, and 3 into 2 is 6. That is how I got that 6. Number of elements in a multiplied by number of elements in b, that would give you number of a cross b. So what is Cartesian product? It is the set of pairs of elements in A and B. Set of pairs of elements in A cross B. I mean in A and B. Now in A cross B, elements of A are written first. Barabar, are written first. And when I say B cross A, elements of B are first. Elements of B are first. समझा? हो म्हणा बाळांनो. आणि मग therefore, yes, set of pairs is called the Cartesian product. आता लिखो, ये पहले डेफिनेशन लिखो आणि मग ये एग्जाम्पल लिखो. आता एकच मिनिट फक्त आधी जरा माझ्याकडे बघा. आय एम गोइंग टू therefore write a note. My question to you is, as a note, remember that if number of elements in A is P, listen, if number of elements in A is P, number of elements in B is Q, then what is the number of elements in A cross B? Or what is the number of elements in B cross A? That will be equal to P. हे कळलं? आता पहिले डेफिनेशन लिखो, फिर ये एग्जाम्पल लिखो आणि मग खाली त्याच्या नोट लिखो. Then you will write the out here. Coming Saturday, economics lecture will be there. That will be followed by OCM lecture. Same lecture start from this Saturday. Now, I take your attention towards the exercise 2 of that chapter. and I gave you time for the second question here in. Second question करो बाळांनो. Go start. A is given, B is given. You want to find A cross B, B cross A cross A, B cross B. Go find it. तुमको आएगा ना A क्रॉस बी क्रॉस ए काय फक्त पेअर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स लिहायचं बाकी काही डोकं नाही वापरायचं. करलीच आहे काही की तो काय ना कर. So the first, anybody on the screen? करणार? हो फटाफट. People do it regularly. What is the difference between A cross B and B cross A? In A cross B, A's element will come first. In B cross A, B's element will come first. पुढे यायचं. A's to okay. Below. Is that clear? Is the concept clear? You just have to write the pairs of elements, okay? Then I take your attention towards fifth sum. Fifth sum. All right. तो पहले हमको क्या निकालना है? थोड़ा इधर देखो पहले. In the first part, what do I need to find? A cross B intersection C. A is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross. Ata what is B intersection C? Intersection means common part. Union is a collection. So what is the common part? 5 and 6. So tell me what will be the Cartesian product? It will be 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6 and 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6. That first part. एकदम मतलब सेकंड में क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट यू विल राइट A cross B, then you will write A cross C, and intersection means common parts of that. That will be second part. करेंगे तुम? करेंगे ना? पहले तुमको क्या निकालना पड़ेगा? A cross B. Then तुमको क्या निकालना पड़ेगा? A cross C. And then you will find A cross B intersection A cross C common sets. करणारे का कोणी? Boy. A cross B find करो, A cross C find करो, and take union. Union is a collection. You have to take all collected together. Very good. Now my question to you is, tell me that in case if I write, I'm heading on to the last part of this chapter for that matter. I ask you that if A is equal to 2, 3, B is equal to 1, 4, 9, and tell me what is A cross B. It is 2, comma 1, 2, comma 4, 2, comma 9, 3, comma 1, 3, comma 4, 3, comma 9. Now I define a condition. I define a condition and the condition is a square. क्या condition को मैंने define किया है? Square. What is the meaning? Remember, the first value is always the x value and the second value is always the y value. तो ये square का मतलब क्या? मतलब take x, square it, and you should get y. Take x, square it, and you should get y. Now tell me, out of these 6 pairs out here in A cross B, which pair satisfy this condition? So that set which satisfies this condition will be 2, 4 because 2 ka square 4 and 3, 9 because 3 ka square 9. Such a set of pairs of elements those satisfy the condition given. Those satisfy the given condition. That set will be called a relation. And that relation is denoted by capital I. And therefore, what is the definition of relation? The very definition of relation is, it is the set of pairs, set of pairs in A cross B, in which the first elements X, the first elements X and the second elements Y, the second elements Y, they satisfy the condition given. They satisfy the condition given. जो भी गिवन कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करते हैं ऐसे सेट को कहते हैं रिलेशन. माता इसमें क्या होगा? इसमें टेल मी व्हाट आर द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट्स. ये जो रिलेशन लिखा है उसमें फर्स्ट एलिमेंट्स आर व्हाट? फर्स्ट एलिमेंट्स आर एक्स वैल्यूज ना. So what are those x values? 2 and 3. That 2 and 3 come from which set? A. Such a set, the set from where x values are taken, is called domain, is known as what? Domain. Now tell me what are the y values? Y values are just 4 and 9, but they lie in which set? B. And therefore set in which? So in our example, domain is set A, which is equal to 2, 3. समझा ना? Tata set in which the y values lie, is called the codomain. And in our example, tell me these y values lie in which set? B set, which is 1, 4, 9. But tell me y value में 1 नहीं आता है ना? ये बघा, y value में, this you can understand better by diagram. So we always draw the diagram. So this is the set A, this is the set B. My question to you is, tell me what is set A? 2 and 3. What was the set B? 1, 4, 9. But 2 is paired with 4, 3 is paired with 9, and this 1 becomes the free element. That 1 is the free element जिसका कोई partner नहीं है. यार हो कि नहीं? 1 को related कोई भी element A में नहीं है. So set in which y values lies 1, 4, 9. That is called codomain. But the set of only y values, is a range. And in our example, the range, suppose C, is just 4 and 9. 3 एलिमेंट को रिमूव करो तो ये x वैल्यूज हो गई, ये भी x वैल्यू हो गई, एंड दीज टू आर द y वैल्यूज एंड 1 इज अ फ्री एलिमेंट. तो वो 1 को अगर छोड़ देंगे, सिर्फ y वैल्यूज लिखेंगे तो दैट रेंज. So what do you mean by domain? Set from where x values are taken. What do you mean by codomain? Set in which y values lie, and set of only y values is range. So tell me, ये codomain and range, इसमें क्या फर्क है? Codomain and range, इसमें क्या फर्क है? What relation will be there? The range is the subset of codomain. बराबर ना? Codomain may or may not have free element. may or may not have the free element, may or may not have the free element. हाँ, पर डोमेन में ये जो ए सेट है उसमें फ्री एलिमेंट हो ही नहीं सकता, अदरवाइज नॉट अ रिलेशन. ओ डोमेन में ही है ऐसा जैसा वन है कि नहीं कि जिसका कोई पेयर नहीं है, फ्री एलिमेंट. बट डोमेन कैन नेवर हैव अ फ्री एलिमेंट. डोमेन कैन नेवर हैव अ फ्री एलिमेंट. अगर डोमेन में ही फ्री एलिमेंट है, domain can never have a free element, otherwise it is not a relation at all. It is not a relation at all. समझा क्या? तो कोडोमेन में फ्री एलिमेंट हो गया, हो सकता है, but डोमेन में फ्री एलिमेंट. So tell me, what do you mean by domain? What do you mean by domain? Set from where x values are taken. What is codomain? Set in which y values lie. But codomain can have free element also. But set of only y values, if I write, I don't write the free element, then it becomes. So range is a part of codomain, subset of code. समझा ना? Write down this very definition of relation.